Hello, this is Brad Valley here with a video tutorial on installing the UniUploader program for Valhalla Rising. Basically, this is a small program that runs on your computer. It automatically downloads and installs some of the WoW add-ons that the guild uses and keeps them up to date so everyone has the same version and they all work properly. Also, it sends your data from the website to our guild roster, where you can see all kinds of information on the different characters in our guild and what they can make. I'll talk more about that later, possibly in another video. Anyway, to install the UniUploader program, go to our website, valhallarisingguild.com, and make sure you're logged in with your username and password here. Go to the download section. Scroll on down. You might see a listing for UniUploader here. If not, go to the Guild download section. Scroll on down, you will find a UniUploader for Valhalla Rising. You can click on the Download Now link over here on the right. At the screen, click under the file name where you see it highlighted. Just go ahead and choose Run, or save it for later if you like. But I recommend choosing Run, makes it easier. Some browsers might say the word open. Okay, the installer will start. Like most program installations, it's pretty straightforward. Just hit the next button. I agree. Keep it in the default spot unless you have a reason to move it. It doesn't matter. Install. And when you get to the Run UniUploader screen, the program will start. It might ask you to find your WoW installation if you installed WoW in some weird spot, like on a non-standard drive. Usually you won't see that. Usually it'll just pop right up to the screen. You'll see it's checking for UniUploader updates. It actually found an update. It's hiding behind here, which is kind of a bug in the program. Just know to look for it. There's a new update for UniUploader. Would you like to update? Yes, go ahead and update. So it's at its most recent version. It'll download. And when it's done, the Launch New Version button, you can click on that. And bam. When UniUploader first starts, it automatically connects to our website and grabs some of the updates that the guild has deemed mandatory, such as the calendar, where we keep up to date on guild events, Omen, which is a threat meter. You can see what aggro people have in the party. I'll talk more about the add-ons later. Okay. If for any reason it didn't automatically find these add-ons, you can click the Show Add-ons button. The ones in red are mandatory add-ons. There's some optional add-ons here. You can read about those more on the site and install them if necessary. Have check marks next to the one you want to install and hit the Synchronize button. It'll automatically download and install these updates for you. And that's that for now. We can go ahead and launch WoW from here. And wait. Okay, here we are in the game. You'll notice some new buttons around your minimap that relate to some of the add-ons we just installed. Most notably is the big clock up here. That is the guild calendar where events are scheduled and you can sign up. I'll talk more about that in another video. One thing I want to talk about now that's related to the UniUploader is an add-on that was installed called Character Profiler. What this little add-on does is it automatically takes your in-game character info, automatically uploads it to the website so it's public for the guild to see. They can see what you can make, what you're spec'd as, all kinds of good info. Anyway, to get that rolling, go ahead and click on your character info screen. You'll see a Save button up here that's new. Go ahead and click that Save. See a bunch of text down here. Doesn't really make that much sense, but that means you know it's working. One thing you might notice is it scans your professions. So we need to open up our profession tab. For example, Nab is an enchanter. When you get to this screen, bring up your enchanting screen and your character screen at the same time, and click the Save button. That way you can know what you can make. Repeat that for all your professions. And once you've done that, go ahead and close out of the game. And the first time you've installed UniUploader, it doesn't know about this character profiler. So we have to tell it it's going to send us data. There's a button down here called Show SVs. It should show a character profiler box here. You might need to restart UniUploader before you see that box now. But if you see character profiler, make sure it's checked. And then you can upload. That'll send the data from your character profiler add-on to the website where it can be viewed on the roster. For example, there's Nabbit. You can see he's an enchanter. And see a lot more information about him. All kinds of good stuff. Okay, as far as general usage of UniUploader goes, once it's installed, you should see an icon on your desktop called UniUploader. It's kind of like the WoW icon with a red arrow. You can click on that. Notice every time that it starts up, it tries to find new updates from our website, which is handy. If you like, you can have UniUploader start up with Windows every time just to make sure your add-ons are up to date and everything's transferred promptly. You can have it minimize UniUploader once it starts if you don't want to see this box on your screen at all. You can even have it auto-launch WoW when you click the UniUploader shortcut. If you do have UniUploader running in the background, every time you close out of the WoW game, it will automatically hit the upload button for you and send your character data to the website. That way you're most up to date. If you don't want to have this program running all the time, just manually start it up, click the upload button yourself when you want to change the information on the website. Also, I should mention again, just the mere act of starting up UniUploader automatically grabs the newest add-on updates and installs them into the WoW for you. That's about it, guys. Any questions? Contact Broad Valley or post them in the forums here. Later.